So hello students, welcome to the class. Today let's start chapter 11, time. So in the previous class we learned to read time from a clock. We also learned how to use AM or PM to denote time. And here we shall learn some more concepts regarding clocks. In this lesson we will learn some concepts about time, some more concepts, and at the end of this lesson we will know about 24-hour clock time, rules for conversion of time, then clocks with 3 hands, addition of time and subtraction of time. So let's begin the class with exercise 11A. So here write the time for each clock. So the first one is 7:27. So now the second one is 11:52. As you can see, it's just after 10. The minute hand is just after 10. It's 11:52. Then this is 9:13. And here you have to draw the two hands to show the time. 8:36. You have to draw like this as I have drawn here. Then 6:14. And 12:04. Now write the time using AM or PM. 10:15 in the morning is AM. 10:15 AM. Then 4:36 in the evening is 4:36 PM. Now let's do number F. How many days are there from 8th April to 5th June? So number F, as there are 30 days in April, so 30 minus 8 is 22 April. Then May, 31 days in May. And for June we will take 5 days. And as we have to take 1 day, 8 will also add 8th April, will also include 8th April. It's 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 5 and this plus 1 of 8th April, that is 8th April, because here the question asked from 8th April, so we have to count 8th April. So this is 59 days. Here what date is 18 days after 26th September? 14th October is the date. Is 18 days after 26th September, because 26th September, 4 days of September and 14 days of October. So the date is 14th October. So in 24-hour clock time, there are 24 hours in a day, and the hour hand of a clock completes one round. The hour hand completes one round in 12 hours. It completes one round in 12 hours, that is one day it makes 2 rounds. In one day the hour hand makes 2 rounds, and the time is 12-hour clock. It's from 12 midnight to 12 noon, and again 12 noon to 12 midnight. But in 24-hour clock, time is from 12 midnight to 12 midnight, and it is expressed in expressed using 4 digit. In 24-hour clock time, there are no dots to separate hours and minutes. So by studying this table, we shall be able to know how to read time in a 24-hour clock. So here number 1 is 4:20 AM. So for AM, we just put down hours and minutes side by side without separating them. So like this can be written as 0420 hours. Now number 6. Let's do number 6. 1 55 p.m. So here 12 hours, then change this 1:55 p.m. to 24-hour clock time. So here we change this, then we add this one 5. So this is how we have converted into 24-hour clock time. Now number 8, 6:42 p.m. So again here we add convert this. First we change this into 24-hour clock time. This is how we have added this, converted into 24-hour clock time, 1842 hours. Now number B, change to 12-hour clock time, that is number 1, 1729 hours. So here 1729 hours, then here we will subtract with 12 hours. This is 5:29 p.m. Now number 5. So let's convert this to 6 hours, 0600 hours to 12-hour clock time is 6 a.m. It's 23:55 hours, that is here to convert it into 12-hour clock time. That is 11:55 p.m. So in a clock, some clock has seconds hand also, and the second hand is the thinnest and it moves fastest, and the hour hand, this is the second hand, and the hour hand completes one round in 12 hours, and minute hands complete one round in 60 minutes, and second hand completes one round in 1 minute. So here the minute hand completes one round in 60 minutes. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now number A, convert the following into minutes. 9 hours. So to convert this, we have to multiply 9 into 60 minutes, that is 540 minutes. Number 2, 21 hours. Convert 21 hours into minutes. So 21 into 60 minutes equals to 1260 minutes. So that's all for today. We will continue the same chapter in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.